morning, everyone. So I know I'm a little blurry here, so let's see if we can fix that. There we go. So I just wanted to touch base with you guys. So just letting you know, me and my family are heading to our first cruise since 2018. It's been such a long time since we cruised. So we are doing a cruise on Odyssey of the Seas. So just to give you guys a little bit of a background, we were supposed to go on Independence of the Seas, but we ended up getting upgraded to Odyssey, which we are so excited about. And what's great about it is that we actually got a balcony, which we weren't expecting because we had booked 2 interior rooms. So we are really excited for that. So we are now at Fort Lauderdale Airport, just chilling, waiting for our time, which is at 1 o'clock when we have to go and check in. So until that point, we're just gonna chill here. I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys on a couple of things that we had done as a family to prepare for this vacation. So what we did first was watch a ton of YouTube videos, from Parodeejay to Matt from Royal Caribbean Blog to the Hoffman Happy Travels. So we just watched a bunch of different people. And with this, we learned a bunch about other things that we could do, things that we didn't know about. And what was great is that we actually were able to see from Matt from Royal Caribbean Blog, when he had mentioned that they keep a track of the cruise compasses online. So we ended up looking at that, kind of checking it out to see if there were any good information or anything to learn. So we did look at that. Then we also looked at a Facebook group, which is something that's really cool. And I learned actually a lot from them. I actually did it this week because I didn't know about it until very last minute. But what's cool about this Facebook group is that what you do is you basically type into the search bar for Facebook, roll call, Odyssey of the Seas, October 3rd, 2021. Because that's what today's date is, and that's the date that you're leaving and the ship you're taking. And what's cool about it was that I was able to find the Facebook group with a bunch of different people who've cruised before, had some inside knowledge, knew about the ship, and just different tips and tricks we learned. So one of the couple of tricks that we had learned, which we thought was really cool for this cruise, and I'll show it to you here, was the Royal Caribbean app, which has been very useful for us since this is actually our first Royal Caribbean trip. We've done many cruises before with Carnival. This is actually our first Royal Caribbean, so we're really excited about it. So let me show you guys some of the things we had learned on the app. So, as you can see here, I've got my app. I know it's a little bit blurry here, so I'm gonna pull up the app here. And I'm gonna pull up the daily planner. As you can see, they have a bunch of events and stuff listed, and it's really great that you can actually click on the different things, read a description about them, and you can add them to your calendar. Alright, sorry about that, guys. So what we have here is the Royal Caribbean app, which I highly recommend downloading. It's great because you can do everything on it. You can do your excursions, you can buy them here. You can also look at different activities and stuff. So as you see, they have all the different activities and stuff like that that you can do and everything like that. What's cool is they even have record by flight complimentary flight, which I didn't know was a thing until I had joined that Facebook group. And then there's all different activities and everything. However, if you try to reserve anything, it does say you need to be on the ship's Wi-Fi in order to reserve it. So just throw that out there. You may be able to see everything, but you may not be able to do everything that you want to and put it in your calendar to reserve it. What I also learned, which I thought was pretty cool, was you can also do your e-muster on here. You can also view your set sail card, everything along those lines. And you can also do your dining. So you can look at all different options you've got. You can look at the main dining room and see what options they have for food and everything. And I will be taking pictures of this and keeping it up there so everybody can read it. But for today, here's what we've got. Let me see if I can turn it this way a little bit. So we've got all these different options and everything here. Giving you all a second so you can pause this video and actually look at all the different options for the early. And just throwing it out there, the early and the late menus are the exact same. as you can see, you can order from Chopped Squirrel menu, and you can get a filet mignon if you want to. I know all this food looks amazing, so if you guys were sailing on this sailing with me, put a comment below as to what you would order. It all looks so amazing, especially all this vegan food as well, because my mother is a little bit vegan as well. So she also gets she'll order some of this as well, so we can kind of tell you guys what it tastes like and everything like that, see if it's worth it. And then you can order from the kids menu as well if you would like. And I will try to get a better copy of the menu as well, so you guys can see it a little bit bigger and everything. Just kind of want to show you guys it is in the app and everything, which is kind of cool. We did notice it yesterday, so it was kind of great that we could actually look at what we wanted to order and everything. And it actually has it for each day of the week. It also has all the different items you can do on the ship, all the activities and such, which is great. So it's kind of nice that you can see that. The app did not update though, and I don't know the exact date that it updates, so I apologize, but I know I've been checking it every once in a while, except these last couple weeks I have not. I know it updated in the last week or so, because I know with our itinerary changes, things happening with COVID and such, we did not get an updated itinerary probably less than about a week or so ago. So just throwing out there, guys, if you wanted to know like when does it actually update the app and everything to give you all the information, as of right now, it does take some time, so just be patient. Like I said, if you guys have any questions or concerns about the ship, sailing, or anything like that, just throw them below. I'll try the best I can to answer them. A lot of wine options here, so any of those people who love wine, there are different options here for you. Definitely a lot of options here. Enjoy. I also forgot to point out, guys, to you that this menu does show for the other days of the week as well. So for example, when you click on the menu button, you can do day 2 and it shows you breakfast, early, and late. And since this is a seed day for us, it's lunch as well, so you can see all the different options as well. But it's a great way to see what's going on in all the different places. And what's cool is that it also shows you the bars, the coffee, Cocoa Key, and what we were excited also to see was some of the different restaurants they have. So for example, like we saw that there was Solarium Bistro and kind of what other different options that they offer as well. So we just wanted to point that out as well to you. So like I said, here's the menu for it. It does seem like it is the same each day, but here's what it is for day 1. So if you're not interested in doing the dining room, and since the Windjammer is not open, you can do this as an option as well. As you see, we do have our premium selections and stuff, but here's your desserts, which are very different and unique. And then like we always have the sparkling and champagne. We've already seen that before, but it seems the same for each day of the week. Nothing seems to change. So what I will be doing is looking to see what options they actually have and sharing that with all of you. So sorry I forgot to add that in there, but just wanted to let you all know. See you soon. Bye.